Got a BLE file from Live Home 3D and want to view or edit the home design blueprint? These files contain complete architectural designs for residential projects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening Live Home 3D blueprint files. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn BLE files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. A BLE file contains a 2D blueprint or floor plan created with Live Home 3D, an interior and home design application. Users create these files to lay out rooms, doors, and windows before furnishing the space in 3D. The primary intent is to save, share, or further develop a foundational architectural plan within the application. The BLE format is a proprietary structured data file, likely using a binary or XML-based structure. It stores vector-based geometric data for walls, dimensions, and object placements. This design allows for precise scaling and editing of the floor plan elements without loss of quality, serving as the base layer for the 3D model. The most trusted opener for the BLE file is consistently Live Home 3D from BLE software. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows may miss advanced 3D elements, so complete viewing requires dedicated modeling software. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the BLE file and choose Open With. Prioritize Live Home 3D if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file claim. If your BLE file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. This particular BLE file is causing errors because it's so specialized. We need to check these 3 key details right now to rule out simple mistakes. First, opening in Live Home 3D. Install Live Home 3D from BLE software. Available on Mac App Store, iOS App Store, and Microsoft Store. Open the BLE file directly to load the complete home design with both 2D blueprint and 3D model views. Edit any aspect of the design from layout to interior details. Next, using Live Home 3D Pro. For advanced features, open BLE files in Live Home 3D Pro version, which adds professional tools like custom materials, advanced lighting, and export options. This edition enables more sophisticated design work and higher quality renderings of your home design projects. Finally, exporting to other formats. Within Live Home 3D, export the BLE design to standard formats like OBJ Collada or FBX for use in other 3D applications. Export 2D floor plans as PDF or images for sharing with contractors. These exports enable collaboration with users who don't have Live Home 3D installed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.